This is the most comfortable Casio digital watch under $25. That's right, this is it right here. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, it is the Casio F-108WH1A. I personally purchased this from eBay, and as you can see, brand new for $21.65. I would recommend that you check out eBay. I am not affiliated with anybody here, but with the prices found from this shop here on eBay, it's really by far one of the best prices you can find. They do ship within the US, and if you're located in the Caribbean islands, which is where I am, definitely recommend ordering from them to get a nice price on these Casio watches, okay? But with all that said and done, let's talk about the watch itself, the box, and what it comes with. So first, it's gonna have that Casio buckle right here, and of course resin material belt. It's got two chrome silver buttons on one side, whereas the other side has the light button here. We'll take a look at the light in a moment here. And what I like about this, it looks somewhat of a G-Shock watch, but it's not. And if there's any other Casio watch that's not a G-Shock watch that I can easily compare this to, it would be the Casio here, this one here, the W218 Casio watch. Let me just get out of this mode here. This one here, I got the one with a negative display, also have the positive display coming in just now. It's got some similarities here in terms of size and design. This one is going to have a tad bit more thickness to it. Comparing here, just to give you an idea, if you ever came across these two and wondered about the size. So this may just have more weight to it, but not by a long shot. But this is just like your all-rounder type of Casio watch. And if you've got one of the original F91s here, you can see that there is a size difference, and the display on the F108 is rather bigger than that of the F91. And of course, this is going to be more for guys. This is a more of a guy watch. It probably, I'd say teens, maybe your 20s or 30s, 40s. Yeah, this is definitely going to be for you guys out there. It comes in multiple colors, by the way. There is actually two black colored versions where the frame here is going to be in a white silver frame there. And the prices are going to vary. I'm going to tell you right now, if you see these any more than $25, no, because I just don't see it being worth that much more than $25. Okay, so again, check eBay. The watch goes flat down. I know some of you like that, and I myself, I like it when a watch can just sit flat like that, because on my way out to work or wherever I am going out, I like to have them all laid out like that, going across like this here, and I can just go ahead and grab the one that I want and easily just put it on instead of having to look for it, or it's like maybe sideways like that. I don't like it when it's like that. Yeah, so we'll be talking about this one in another video, by the way. And yeah, so it is by far the lightest, comfortable, sort of heavy duty type of Casio watch. And when I say heavy duty, I mean, if you want to look at it compared to an F91, which is one of the more popular Casio watches out there, you can easily see there is a bulkness to it compared to the F91 here, okay? They got the same layout, buttons, and basically the same features, not much at all. We got the modes here. Switch alarm, timer, and it's back to the time, and it just, of course, that'll take you to the edit mode, and this is 24-hour, 12-hour. And the amber light here, one nice little amber light there you can see for yourself. It does a good job lighting up. I'm gonna go ahead and do this here, get it a little darker so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. So this is pretty well. So it's enough to see the entire display if you're in pure darkness. All right, and as you can see, as I'm holding it down, it's staying lit, and once I let it go, it stops. All right, so that's really good. That's awesome stuff right there. Okay, and of course the underside, stainless steel plate there, and it gives you the 108. All right, so all in all, a great watch. It says water resistant, but of course we all know that a priced watch like this would not mean to submerge underwater. So maybe some splashes of maybe raindrops is okay. Make sure you wipe it off as quick as possible. But that is that, my friends. And I see this watch in terms of, like, if you have I guess an aggressive nature, maybe about a year, but it can last very long, especially if you're an indoor person having one of these here. And let's quickly take a look at the other color options. So usually on the Casio side, they wouldn't give you every color out there available, but places like eBay can give you more options. You can see here, this one is the one with the white silver frame on the inside. This is the one I got, the one with the black frame, and that's actually the cheaper one here. Then going down, there's a blue one. There's also a black one with the orange highlights there. I don't know if you can see that. So we got plenty of options, and it depends on your color taste here of these watches, but they're really lightweight, feels comfortable. There's this dark blue one here with the yellow on it. Then we got the plain white one here with the black inner frame. And there is this bright orange one. I think I might have seen a pink one before. I might be confused here. And you also got the white one with the white frame on the inside. So there's two white ones, just like how there's two black ones out there. So there's plenty of colors to choose from. And of course, you decide which one you like and just go ahead and grab them while you can. Some Casio watches, when they are available for sale later on in the future, they tend to get a bit more expensive, so get them while you can. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, if this helped you make a purchase decision, whether you wanted to buy this watch or not, do hit that like and subscribe.